In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Microsoft Teams with Planner on iPhone. To get started, download Microsoft Teams from the App Store if you haven't already and sign in with your Microsoft 365 work or school account. It's important to use the same account that already has access to your Teams Planner, otherwise you may not see the right plans or tasks. Once you're signed in, open the Teams app and tap the Teams section from the bottom menu. From there, choose the team you want to work in, and then open the correct channel. This matters because Planner can be connected to specific team spaces, so being in the right place helps you find the right tasks and plans more quickly. Next, you'll need to find Planner. Depending on the version of Teams you're using, Planner may appear directly in the app, or you may need to open the More menu, shown as 3 dots. Tap that menu, search for Planner, and open it. Microsoft currently supports Planner both as a standalone app inside Teams and as a tab added to a Teams channel, so the layout may look slightly different on your screen. If your organization already has a plan set up, open My Plans and select the existing plan you need. Inside the plan, your tasks will usually be organized into buckets. These buckets help group work into stages such as To Do, In Progress, For Review, and Completed. This makes it much easier to track where each task stands at a glance. When you want to create a new task, open the appropriate bucket and tap Add Task. Enter a clear task name, then set the due date and assign it to the right team member. If needed, you can also add notes, a checklist, attachments, or set the priority. Planner supports all of these details, so it's a great tool for keeping work organized and making expectations clear. As you begin working on a task, open it and update the progress status to In Progress. You can also add notes, attach files, or leave comments for your teammates if they need context or updates. Once the work is done, mark the task as completed so everyone can see that it's finished. If you want to focus only on the work assigned to you, go to My Tasks in Planner. This gives you a personal view of your assignments across different plans. In some Microsoft setups, these assigned tasks may also appear in Microsoft To Do, which can make personal task tracking even easier. Finally, on supported Teams experiences, you can turn a Teams message into a Planner task. Open the message, tap the More menu, and choose Create Planner Task. Then select the plan